Let me go record. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Black Talk Show. I have my partner, Coach Jeanine, in the room. Welcome, Coach Jeanine.
Thank you for having me, Christina. It's always a pleasure to be with you.
Yes, it's a pleasure being with you as well. So today we're going to talk about some events that we're having coming up. The main one that's coming up pretty quick is a sponsorship with uh, Queen Roberta, right? So tell
Yes.
us a little bit about that event.
So, guys, we always have you in our mind. Always don't want to keep anything from us, from you guys. So that's why we really just, talk to you about some amazing events coming up. Where we want you to be part of it. We want you to join us and really make sure that we prepare you for next year. Many of you guys been asking Coach Tina, myself, if we can be able to, find some things that, like different themes that you guys are interested in. And most of you guys been seeking and asking questions about sponsorship. So now, after the interviews, because we had a Queen Roberta, for a couple of times, now she has really, clean up her schedule to be able to be with us on October the 15th from 1 to 2, guys, only an hour, because we want to make sure that you come, you join us, you sign up, have your tickets. I hope you're going to see also on the bottom of this video that please sign up, because we know that you have some event coming up next year, but we want you to start preparing now. Okay, so that's why we just want to talk to you tonight about 3 of the reason or 5 of the reason why you need to make sure that you are prepared for your sponsorship.
Yes. And as I'm thinking about sponsorship, it's many reasons why you can get sponsorship, like events. You plan an event, a conference, a workshop, and you don't want to have to fund that out of your pocket. This is the perfect time to plan for next year and get your sponsorship funds together. She will show you how to actually write up a proposal for sponsorship, and you'll be able to, when you leave that workshop, you will know how to write that sponsorship proposal, like whatever you need to send to someone to get sponsorship. If you have a podcast, you have a business, whatever you I thought Operation Graduation. I know a lot of times during school year, they always doing Operation Graduation, stuff to raise money for the kids for the after graduation. They have a thing for them after graduation. This or even for graduation, that's a perfect time now to get sponsorship for that as well, with the added on to other fundraising opportunities. I think that anybody looking for funds need to be in this class on October the 15th at 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. It's no doubt in my mind that you're going to get value in this class. You're going to learn what is needed to be a get sponsors for your business or your event or your organization. You might be a nonprofit. Nonprofits are welcome. You can, if you need money to, I know like a lot of times for women things that you might want to feed the homeless, you want to help, whatever the cause may be, you need to be in the room. You need to be there so you can get the sponsorships you need for next year, 2024. The time is now. Don't wait to the last minute to sign up. Sign up today. We will put the link at the end of this video so you can sign up. It's in all our social media platforms. So you can go to any of our social media platforms and sign up as well. But I really, really want to see y'all in the room. I know you've been wanting to find ways to sponsor your events and you don't want to have to come out of your pocket. This is it.
Yes.
Be there.
Be there. This is, guys, everybody who is listening to Coach Tina, everybody who's been watching Coach Tina, don't just watch. We want you also to get really the sponsorship. We want you also to get the cake, because we already have, like we already signed up for the class, Coach Tina and I, and many of the ladies too in the room. So we want you also to be part of it, because we want you to get the same information. We're not hiding any information from you, because we want to see you succeed. Your success is our success. That's really why we are, especially right now, we want to talk about that. So, Coach Tina, can you also share maybe your experience with sponsor in the past, or maybe you were part of any activity that sponsorship? I just want to share with me before you share yours. I'm playing two roles. I've been a sponsor, and I also seek sponsor in the past. So, from my experience to seeking sponsorship, it was really in the beginning, I didn't know what really to expect, but I was very pleased. Let me just say that. Actually, I've received sponsorship. This is my fourth time now receiving a sponsorship. So I was very, very pleased to see that they ask you, just any regular application. And then you actually just tell them what you do and how the impact of the community, your audience. So you just put on paper, you just be authentic as you can be. And I received sponsorship. Another type of sponsorship was also when I received coverage for the radio station and article in the magazine. Guys, many of you have magazine, many of you have podcasts, like Coach Tina said. Many of you are planning to have podcasts or to have a magazine next year. This is the time, because you just have to show them the impact. What is your vision? What solution are you bringing to your community? And I know many of you guys have a wonderful community. Why not joining this class so
Yes.
you can learn the tools that you need to be able to have more sponsorship? Or if you haven't even have any, that's okay. This is the place where you learn the language, you learn how to put it together. Coach Tina and I, we are here to help you. And Queen Roberta, she's the expert in the room. So again, I would say no more, don't look further. This is the place for you to be. I hope you're gonna join us. And then we're gonna be, continue to talk about that all this week, because we want you guys to join us. So thank you, Queen Roberta, for this opportunity, really. So Coach Tina, you can go ahead too.
Yeah, Queen Roberta has 20 years in doing sponsorship. 20,
Yes.
I don't know if it's 20 plus, but just 20 years I know of
Mhm.
that she has experience of getting sponsorship, and she had some major clients. So she knows what she's doing. She will help you get that sponsorship you need. Uh I haven't actually submitted for a sponsorship, but Lord, I wish I had known about it, how to
Yes.
do it. Now I am gonna know how to do it for 2024. I've did uh in-kind sponsorship where you're giving something away because for sponsorship
Mhm.
free, and that's just to have your you've been part of the event or whatever. And then I have had sponsors for events before, but it was, you just had to tell people what you're trying to do. They see that you're doing good, usually
Yes.
they're willing to help if they can. It might not always be monetary, but this is a time to get to monetary. You need to be in the room. I can't say that enough. You need to be in the room so you can get the sponsorships you need. Because I don't want to struggle having to find sponsors or knowing what to do to get sponsors anymore. So
Right.
it's stopping for me on October the 15th. I'm gonna be in the room, and
Woo,
I
woo.
invite all of you to come in the
Yeah.
room with us and
Mhm.
learn how to get sponsorship, because this can be something that you can use many years from down the road, because you can use a sponsor now that, and you did a good deed with the money they gave you or whatever, and then you show them proof that you did it, what you did with the
Mhm.
money, and they'll sponsor you again year after year. So you need to get on board and don't wait. I can't say it enough.
Absolutely, because we want you to secure and having a long-term relationship with sponsors. That's
Mhm.
our goal. And we're hoping that, by doing this first workshop, because there'll be many more, but this is
Mhm.
the first one, we will definitely make sure that you start developing your relationship with sponsors. Yes, because many of you guys been asking this. There we go. This is the opportunity. This is the solution that we're bringing you today. Make sure that you sign up with us, and we'll be also joining you guys again tonight with other ladies to talk about the same thing.
Yes, same thing. Yes, and they give you their experience that they had doing sponsorship and how valuable it was to them getting the sponsors for the events that they're holding. Because you can have a retreat, you can have a conference, you can have a workshop, you can have a podcast, a magazine, you can have a nonprofit, you can have you're just starting a business and you have a business idea and you know that you're gonna need funds to get this business off the ground, like you're gonna do maybe a home for the homeless. That's a way of getting sponsors, because someone might else that might have money or funds that's been a homeless, and they're willing to help you get this started. So I mean, it's all kind of ways that you can use sponsorship. You just have to know how to get in the room, that the information is provided, and you can actually learn how to do it and actually get sponsorships from the knowledge that's been given in the room. So be there.
Absolutely. Be there October the 15th and sign up today.
Yeah.
And again, Coach Tina, do you want to tell them how to join us tonight before we wrap up?
Yes, she's gonna have, we're gonna be on StreamYard. It's
Yes.
we have to send the link out.
Mhm.
It's gonna be at 8 o'clock tonight, and we'll be talking more about sponsorships, because that's this event coming up really soon, and we want to get the word out. We want all y'all there, but come to that event on, well, it's gonna be Coach Jeanine's show. It's emoji Umoji Umoji Global Network. Is it, that's the name of it, right? Or is it, that's right? Well, we are gonna be in the room with some other ladies talking about
Yes.
sponsorship, and
Mhm.
you are welcome to come. I'm hoping that you will come and join us and
Yes.
learn more, and that will add more knowledge, more insight on sponsorship. And you just won't get it from us. You'll hear from other people that have experienced this. And I'm Queen Roberta will be there as well,
Of
right?
course, you will be there tonight.
Yeah, Queen Roberta will be there tonight. And if you have questions that you would like to ask her, you
Bring
need to
your
be there.
question.
Yeah, bring your questions. Be there tonight at 8 p.m. so you can bring your questions and you can ask her about her, what she's gonna be bringing in the workshop.
Absolutely.
It's
Yeah,
We can't wait.
absolutely. We
We can't
can't
wait.
wait. We can't wait.
Yeah.
We can't wait. Absolutely. And bring your question. I will have a question. Coach Tina has a question. Coach Mary, Dr. Lulu, all of us, we have question for her because we want to secure some sponsorship for 2024. No
Yeah.
more from our package. No more.
Yeah. Yes, because those big corporations and other business that you see that hosting all these big events, they're getting sponsorship, but they know how to
Right.
do it because they're willing to come to the class, willing to
Yes.
sit at the table to learn how to do it. And we're inviting all of you to come sit at the table to learn how to do it, so you will be able to get the sponsorships and host these events, these that you have been going to, and you're saying, well, how are they doing that? Well, a lot of times they're getting sponsors to help them fund these events, and you need to learn how to do that as well. So I will want you to come tonight to learn more at 8 p.m. and also be there on October the
Central.
15th. Huh?
Central. You need to say
Central.
Central.
Oh yeah, Central time. It's 1 p.m. Central time, 1 to 2. So if you're in Eastern time, that's 2 p.m. for you to 3 p.m. But be in the room. Don't waste any time. Sign up tonight. We will put out the link tonight at 8, and we'll do it after this recording that you can sign up right now. Do not wait.
Thank you again, Coach Snell. It's always good to be on your show. I really, really appreciate you. Thank you for all the work that you're doing, guys. Continue to support Coach Tina. She's the real deal. She's a true servant leader.
Yes, thank you. And you as well. You're a servant leader too. Busy lady. Yes. All right, y'all. Have a good night.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you for coming on, Coach Jeanine.
Absolutely.